Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone on the Google Chat. So Google Chat is a messenger apps made by Google, and if you want to access the Google Chat, you can do it directly on the Gmail apps on your device or on your computer. So here I'm going to use the Google Chat on my device on my phone. First, let's just launch the Gmail app. Okay, so this is my Gmail, and if you want to have access to the Google Chat, first you need to enable the chat tab on the Gmail apps. Let's just click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then you can scroll down and go to the settings. Here, choose the email account that you are using, and then scroll down and you'll see the general section, and you just need to enable the chat tab in here by clicking on this checkbox. After that, the Gmail apps will restarting, and what you need to do is click on this chat tab, and here is the Google Chat. Okay, so in the Google Chat, if you want to add someone, you can just do so by easily finding their Gmails. So you can just click on this plus icon at the bottom to start a new message. So here you can just find the person that you want to chat, you want to add. For example, here I'm going to just find this one. Okay, you can just click on the names of the email's name. You can click on it, and then you can tap on done at the top, and here you can see that you don't need to add someone on Google Chat. Here you just need to send them a message to start chatting with them. So for example, here, okay, you can just send them just like this, and then you can click on send, and just like that, you are now adding each other, or you can chat with this person that you want to add. Okay, so that's pretty easy. If you want to use it on the web or on your computer, you can also do the same steps. You can just find the email's name, and then you can just start sending a message to add them. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you like with this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can also leave a comment if you have any question, and don't forget to click on the thanks and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.